Hi, my name is Le.
Hi, I'm Honey.
Hi, I'm Samantha,
We are students from Dunman Sec.
and we are here to answer some of your questions.
What's your favorite food in school?
I like the mixed vegetable rice store. The auntie there very nice. She always give me extra meat.
What CCA are you in?
Dunman Scouts.
Badminton, very fun. Come
Ben.
join.
Ben, join Ben. Who's your favorite teacher and why? Guys,
My favorite teacher is Mr. Varnon.
Mr.
He's very
Varnon.
inspirational. He cracks a lot of jokes even though it's not funny.
if your life was a movie/K drama, what genre would it be?
Romance.
And who would you play?
Romance.
Who would play you?
Romance. I wanna be a lot of female Korean actress because like get a lot of love.
Which oppa do you want to be?
Oh, Park Seo Joon.
Son don't know already.
Park Seo Joon. Oh my god.
Cannot relate.
Cannot. Study early in the morning or night study better?
Study at night, man.
Study at night.
Study
In the
at
morning got no motivation.
Okay, maybe this is just an excuse to stay up, but Zoom class or back to school?
Back
Zoom.
to school.
Back to school.
Zoom.
Zoom you only sleep.
Yeah.
Zoom class don't need to wake up very early. Don't need to wear school uniform. Don't need to take bus come down.
Yeah, cause you live in Sengkang.
Can talk to the teachers, very friendly. Somehow like in Zoom I can't pay attention.
What's the coolest thing in your school that other schools don't have? Life science lab.
Nice science lab.
Life science lab.
Wait, what's one thing you teach your Sec 1 self?
Don't be so loud.
Pay attention in class.
Don't stress so much. Why should people choose Dunman Secondary? Us.
Dunman Secondary is in a
Wow.
good location.
You come to Dunman and then you see us as your seniors, you'll be wow,
Wow.
because you are so cool.
There's good people, good teachers, good food to eat around the school.
Yeah, you get to see Mr. Varnon, everyone's favorite.
Yeah,
teacher.
everyone's favorite teacher. Mr. Vadan, if you're watching this,
Sarang.
sarangi. Go on, do it. No, hush it. What will you miss most about Dunman when you graduate?
My friends.
I miss the teachers.
teachers also.
My
Teachers.
friends
Teachers
and
and
the teachers.
friends.
Sure. Thank you for all your questions today.
We had fun answering them.
Can't wait to see you in Dunman.